What's up, guys? So this is a really crazy one. You have a Ford Edge and your key fob battery is so low it won't start the vehicle. Take a look at this. Okay, we've got a Ford Edge here. I hit the push button start, nothing's happening, no key detected. What do we do? Well, just to show you, I have taken the battery out of this completely. In the center console, way up in the front, is a hidden spot where this key fob fits. Just fits in there really nice and easy. Hard to see with the video, but it just tucks up in there and sits in a perfect spot. Now I put my foot on the brake, push the engine button, bam, that starts. That is for a 2017, 2018, 2019 Ford Edge. There you go. And you can see this little battery, if you need to replace it, is a CR2450. Now you know that. Now you know what happens with your dead key fob battery. You're welcome.